how to use the mo particle in Japanese. Here we have the inclusive particle mo, and this can be used to mean kind of like to, also, as well. It's used when you're wanting to emphasize the inclusion of something or someone, kind of like a me too. Like here, I will go also. So normally this sentence would be something like watashi wa iku. As for me, I will go. But here, watashi mo iku means that I'll go as well, or I'll go too, or maybe you're also tired. Or like here, I will fight too. And it can be used more than once in a sentence as well, like we see here, otou-san mo, your father, and also kimi mo, you also. And you can also see the mo particle used in a negative sentence to mean either not, either, or neither. Or like seen here in One Piece, I can't use my abilities either. Or like seen here used in two different ways, I also don't have any family either. Or I don't have any objections either. And so we saw how we can use the mo particle to replace wa, ga, and o. But let's say you want to use the mo particle with the ni particle or the de particle. Well, you can actually do this, but instead of replacing those particles, you need to follow the particle with mo. So let's say, for example, to go to the toilet, toire ni iku. Maybe you want to say to also go to the toilet. In that situation in Japanese, that would be toire ni mo iku. So ni plus mo. So like here, to also go to school. So ni to mo also to. And the same thing with the det particle, which marks the place of an action. Maybe you wanted to say also at the office or even at the office. Normally at the office would be kaisha de, but also at the office or even at the office would be kaisha demo.
会社でも何か噂になっているかもよ。
もう13年前になるんですけど、この学校でもいじめ自殺が起きてました。校舎から3年生の男子生徒が飛び降りたんです。
As you can see, the mo particle is used in place of wa, ga, and o to express to or also. And if you want to use it with the direction marker, ni, or the det particle, which marks the place of action, you need to use it after those particles, like nimo and demo. So hopefully that's not too complicated. The mo particle is pretty straightforward and you're going to see this used all over the place. So thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment. And if you really love the channel, then consider coming supporting the channel through the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. You can come join us on the Game Gengo Discord, come hang out, chat, learn Japanese, get help, and just have some fun learning Japanese. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys.